friend, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I will show how to make a automatic on off light. Now let's get started. Friend, I am using this wooden box to make automatic on off light. I am using LDR module, automatic on off light. They can switch this. Now let's start to make this. First we need to connect this LDR module. Friend, there is connection wire of LDR module. This is red wire, white wire and blue wire. This is light positive wire and negative wire. And there is positive wire of battery and negative wire of battery. And this is charger of wire of positive and negative. They will connect with the directly to battery. Now let's start to make this. Friend, I am using 2 pack of 12 volt battery. Each consists of 12 volt and 3 ampere. Now let's start to make this. I am connecting with parallel series, positive to positive and negative to negative. There is a positive wire of battery and the wire of battery. Now friend, there is positive wire of battery and there is negative wire of battery. Now I am using this 12 volt and 3 ampere battery. Friend, I am using SMD light. Friend, light has been fixed. Now time for connection. Friend, there is connection diagram. There is positive wire of LDR module. We need to connect this light positive. Friend, there is positive wire of light and there is red wire will connect this light and there is red wire of module. These 2 wire has been connected. Friend, according to diagram, white wire will connect the negative wire and negative wire of light, and there is negative wire of light and there is white wire of auto on off switch. Friend, there is blue wire. Blue wire will also connect with the positive wire of battery. Now friend, time for installing battery. There is negative wire of battery. Negative wire will be connected according to diagram. White wire, there is white wire, and there is negative wire of battery. Friend, there is positive wire of battery, and according to diagram, blue wire will be connected to positive wire of battery. Friend, there is blue wire. Friend, all connection has been done. Now time for installing charger. Friend, there is LDR module. When they detect darkness, the light will be on. Now you can see this. They can take 5 seconds to on this. Friend, you can see this LDR module detect the darkness, and when they detect a light, they will automatically off. Now friend, time for installing another on off switch button between the battery. Friend, there is on off switch button. Friend, for charging purpose I am using this adapter, and there is wire of adapter. And there is connection of battery charger. There is battery positive wire and negative wire will directly connected to charger. Now friends, all connection has been done according to this diagram. Now we need to close this. Now friend, time for testing. You can see this. I can also operate this with the help of this button. And they can operate with the help of darkness. When light has been gone, they can automatically turn on, and there is charging purpose of connector.